So what happens is you wash it, it's clean, you throw it in the dryer, you dry it, it shrinks, right? The guy goes to put his handle in, you'll end up poking a hole in it because they shrink. As long as your squeegee's damp, you don't need a lot of water, right? I'm playing with nothing here. Now I'm running RODI, it's coming out of here. All right, so if I turn this off, now it's only gonna run out of this one, and it's just RO water. Between carbonate complete and a hybrid is this has a little bit more flex to it. A 27-foot pull is perfect. Nobody's getting none of this. Called the Alpha brush. It's got the swivel, which you guys all are excited about. It's a boar's hair and nylon. Okay, boar's hair has more cleaning properties. You put it on the glass, they splay out, see? So now I can get in the edges and along the top seal. And this is actually clean the glass. I could take a Coca-Cola bottle, a liter bottle, put my GG4 in there, screw it on, and I could shoot 30 feet with this.